Good day, guys. I'm here to take my honest review about Cartender HS 5W30 engine oil. Made in Japan, the new kid in the block. Para sa mga JDM nating tropa dyan, this is the real JDM, guys. Where you can get this, we'll get there very shortly. Now, what I've read about Cartender, they have two kinds of oil. One HS, or stands for honesty, the one that I'm using, mainly focuses on efficient driving, the economical driving, city driving, and all that efficient stuff. While the other one, the PS1, is leaning more on performance stuff, for turbocharged engine, sports racing, big displacement engine, but will mainly focus on the HS variant since it's the one that we are using on this car. I'm using the Cartender HS 5W30 on this daily driven Honda Brio, a 1.2 liter L12 engine, meant for city driving, the economical driving, and all that boring stuff. But sometimes I put this little rocket into its edge, revving high in the RPM along the expressways, just giving itself a breather at times. By the way, I changed its oil 112,500 km on the Odo. One of the things that I early noticed when we did the PMS is the engine gets really quiet and the vibrations inside the cabin and noticeably lessen. Such quieter like the time when I got it from the casa brand new 5 years ago. No kidding, man. Like, it really made the engine quiet. By the way, prior changing to Cartender, I'm using AMSOIL 5W30 and Motul 5W30 as well. Prior changing to Cartender. Motul a little worse. Well, not that worse. Prior changing to Cartender, I really noticed that my previous oils made engine clanking louder. I could hear the engine valves, the tappets inside the cabin. Even inside the cabin, that I did not hear or felt prior going to AMSOIL or Motul. Well, I thought it's just a normal wear and tear of usage. To my surprise, when I changed to Cartender, galing, nawala, promise. Nawala yung engine valve tappet, clanking, tinking, could not hear it inside the cabin. Parang brand new yung tunog ng makina. No kidding, pare. No kidding, I swear. Yun yung biggest ko dito, up sa Cartender. Performance wise, the Cartender 5W30 or the HS 5W30, well, you get what it's meant for. It has no superpowers to give this little engine a big of horsepower probably. But one thing that I noticed that I also noticed that the torque is coming a little late. The little torque, that amp of torque that I used to feel at 2100 RPM. Now I have to rev at 2.5, probably 2.6, around that range, in order to feel that of torque. Now what comes about it is, what I really felt is the engine revs faster and smoother. Hindi siya parang tumalon lang to 3,000 to 2.5 RPM. The torque is coming in later in the rev range. I usually cruise along the expressway 100 km per hour at 2,100 well, it is really meant for efficient driving and economical driving. So we're not expecting a genie in the bottle inside the Cartender HS 5W30. So far at 2,000 kilometer driven with Cartender HS 5W30, engine is good, oil is good, viscosity is good. I shall observe its consistency along its life. Usually performance degenerates for me, from what I have experienced, from 5,000 until I change my oil. It's the time that the performance on the engine degenerates along with the oil. So I shall observe that. Next time I shall try the PS variant of Cartender and see if there's any changes or difference, if there would be. By the way, you can get the Cartender engine oil sa South Clean Car Wash and Auto Detailing sa Muntinlupa. Well, you can reach them through their Facebook. You could also message Cartender PH. They will be happy to assist you, get your orders, and probably you could make business with them. Disclaimer lang, guys, I am not a professional mechanic, but I know some stuff, a lot of stuff about automotive. Bata pa lang nagsisirani ko na ako, and from the get go tong sasakyan na to, ako ang nag-maintain even out of the casa, hindi ko na pinakasa, and I'm doing change oil consistently at 8,000 to 9,000 kilometer on the odo, pagkagat ng langis and all that stuff that needed to be. And again, thank you for listening. I'd be happy to assist, to help if you have any concerns or whatever, man. This not sponsored by Cartender, by the way. It's just an honest output. Baka makatulong sa mahal ng langis ngayon. Again, thank you guys and have a blessed day.